What's your name?
Carter Hall.
Kendra and I reincarnate.
Do you know who Vandal Savage is?
And every lifetime he kills us.
I've been tasked with assembling an elite team to stop him.
This is the best chance we have of stopping him forever.
I'm the enemy you can't defeat.
I'll take my chances.
There's a whole other life inside me. Hundreds of lives that I need to know about.
You are destined to...
You believe in destiny.
Time has come today.
Up until 2 months ago, I was a barista.
I'm never gonna become who I really am unless I let go.
DC's Legends of Tomorrow. Series premiere Thursday, January 21st on the CW.
Where's the mask? You don't need it anymore. You've lived in the shadows long enough.
I've been tasked with assembling an elite team to travel through time.
I say we go get weird in the 70s. Never saved the world before. Feels good.
Convergence. You and me.
Yes.
What's the use of sharing my intelligence if you won't listen?
Stop bossing me around like I'm one of your snot-nosed undergrads.
Time has come today.
To saving the world.
Knock yourself out.